Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. So wedding season is there and hair accessory plays a very important role in Indian weddings. And nowadays artificial wedding accessory is very popular because natural flowers get very dull quickly and they have to replace very often. So for the same artificial wedding accessories are used very widely throughout the India. So I thought why not to make a video on the same. So here I am with a grand new tutorial of this beautiful hair brooch. So this brooch looks very shiny and elegant. It can be used very perfectly for your sister, cousin or any relative's wedding. So do try and wear this brooch at your upcoming wedding and let me know if people like it or not. If you are new here, I have a request for you that my channel is new here on YouTube. So your one subscription means a lot to me as it's helping me in growing out my channel on this platform. It costs you nothing but means a lot to me as it is helping me in growing out my channel on this platform. So do hit the subscribe button so that we can meet on a regular basis to make amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is kundans. I have taken pink color, Zardosi, 3 mm pearl beads, wire, small pearl beads, cutter, plier, then this is green tape and this is 28 gauge wire. So first of all we will make petals of these crystal beads of these kundans. For the same I am taking this wire and I'll take half portion of this. Also I am taking this pearl beads and I'll remove this wire from the last end. I have to take this edge outside, so I'll take this wire first from this circular end, then I will insert 6 pearl beads. Now I will take this end and I will insert it here. Do watch it carefully. So this is the process, and now I'll wrap this end here. I'll cut this extra part. So in the same way we have to make 4 more flowers, 4 more petals. So I have already made 4 petals and now we will combine them to form a flower. So I'll just keep them to each other side and then I'll wrap this one firmly. And I'll spread it to have a shape of flower like this. Okay. If you want you can wrap further. So similarly we have to make one more flower, but in that we don't have to insert this pearl bead. So I have already made one and we will have form a layer of them like this, and we need one more of the Zardosi, which is of this Zardosi. So what I'll do is I'll cut this Zardosi in 5 parts of the Zardosi, maybe the size of my finger. Okay, so I have taken 5 uh, parts of Zardosi, and I'm taking this wire now and insert one here in this, and then I'll add it from this another end. So these are our 2 petals done. Similarly we will make the rest 4. I'll cut this extra part here. Now again I'll wrap this here. Form a petal. Similarly we will make this too, so I'll do that in fast forward way. So I have made this flower. Now we'll combine all of them. So I'm just inserting this flower with no pearls in this first, and at the same time I'll insert this one also in this carefully, and now we'll wrap these two to this wire. Okay, so this is the kind of flower we need. So we need 2 flowers for this. So I have already made one more. Now we'll make a stigma. For that we need Zardosi and we need wire. So what we'll do is we'll cut this Zardosi first. We'll take 10 parts of Zardosi. So for this wedding season, I'm going to bring lots of designs of bridal jewelry. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do hit the subscribe button. And I'm taking this glass bead. Sorry, I'm taking this pearl bead. So what we'll do is we'll insert one Zardosi from one end, and then I'll add one pearl bead in this, and then we'll add one Zardosi, and I'll match the ends of this both Zardosi here at the end, and I'll wrap it, and I'll go on wrapping till it becomes a wave like pattern. If you want, you can take a help of a plier also for the same. Now at this side we are again going to repeat, like, so this had some damaged part, so I'll cut this part, and now insert one Zardosi, again one pearl bead, and again one Zardosi. The same process we did for making flower, we will do it. So I'll bring this to end till this one, and I will wrap it over here again till the time it is getting wrapped properly. Now again we'll repeat the same process to make all the left 3. So I'll do that first and now.
third one is done. You can also choose a smooth wire. My wire is a little bit harder to wrap, so but you can choose a smoother wire also.
If you are enjoying my tutorial till now, do hit the like button.
So I have made this big one, and similarly we need two more. So one is same like this, and in one I have made taken three petals of Zardosi, and I have added two pearls rather than one. So what we'll do is we will attach them all now. So for that, first of all I'll insert this one and I'll wrap it properly, and again I'll take this one and again I'll wrap this properly. So I wrap this. Now we have to make one more for this side. So I already made one more, and yeah, I just forgot to do one thing, that here in the end we will apply flower like this. So I'll quickly add 5 pearls. Okay, and at this end where we can see this part, I'll add this, and now I'm going to cut this extra. I'll cut this one. Okay, so these are our two wraps and these two flowers. Now I have decided to add one flower of again pearl beads in the middle of these two. So I'm again making one more flower. Okay, so in this way wrap this, and now we'll just simply attach this all. So I'm taking this one because it is big. Then I'll wrap this flower here. Then I'll add this pearl flower. And now I will add this, it's not visible, and to add this I'll first keep it like this, and then I'll wrap this wire. We're not going to add it in a straight manner. And here, with the help of plier, just okay, so I have added this. Now I will cut this extra part. So we can add a hairpin here and then we can wear it in our hair. So guys, our brooch is ready. So to let me know how do you like this new design. Is it good? Is it worth wearing in the hair? And see, if you can see, there is a little bit of back finishing left. So what I'll do is I'll add a glue gun so that it will become smoother. We can't add green tape to this because there is no way to insert a green tape from this last, so it won't be useful if you insert green tape. But for the same, I'll add glue gun. So that's it.
So we have created this beautiful brooch in a very simple way. This brooch making technique is very simple and you can make various such brooch using this technique. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and also press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.